Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter that is new chapter fractions. Okay. First of all, going to discuss about the fractions. First of all, tell me, all of you know about the fractions. What is the meaning of fraction? Anybody know? Okay, first of all, we are going to learn about the fraction meaning. First of all, what is the fraction means? When we are going to take any whatever that is one whole, we divided that into some parts. So that is called some parts. Okay, how many parts? Whatever it is, that parts are called the fraction of that whole number. Okay. See, suppose I am going to take one cake here. Okay, this is one cake. Okay, this is one cake. So this cake is totally full cake. Okay, this is called whole. What is this called? Whole. Ante total ani. Okay, this is called whole. How many holes here? How many cakes are there here? One. So whole, one whole. Okay, one. So now I am going to cut this cake into two parts. So in next step lo nenu dinne em chestunanu, two parts ga cut chesanu. Okay, మధ్యలోకి మిడిల్ కి కట్ చేస్తాను. ఇప్పుడు ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్ అయింది? ఇది హాఫ్ చేశాను కదా. 1 2. హౌ మెనీ పార్ట్స్ నౌ? 1 2. హౌ మెనీ పార్ట్స్? 2 పార్ట్స్ అయింది. yes, 2 పార్ట్స్. 2 పార్ట్స్ కదా. సో హౌ టు రైట్ దిస్ వన్ ఇంటూ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్. ఈ 2 పార్ట్స్ ని మనం ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ లో ఎలా రాస్తాం అంటే, టోటల్ హౌ మెనీ కేక్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ హియర్? టోటల్ ఓన్లీ 1. ఓకే, 1. ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్ కట్ చేసాం మనం? 2 పార్ట్స్. ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్ కట్ చేసాం? 2 పార్ట్స్. 1 2 1 2. సో రైట్ డౌన్ దట్ ఇన్ డౌన్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ whole. Okay, this is the fraction of this whole. Understood now what is the fraction? Suppose I am going to take one more cake. I am going to cut it into 3 parts. Okay, 1 2 3 parts. Okay, how can you write now? Tell me, how can we write now this one? Tell me. Total one cake only. Write down that one divided by how many parts? How many parts we cut it into? 3 parts. So 1 2 3. Write down that 3 down. Now understood, this is the fraction. Written fraction ela rastamu. Okay, in this here 1/2 1/3 here 1/2 1/3 is there. No, this upper part of the division is called numerator. And down part is called denominator. What is that, ma? Denominator. Okay, denominator. Upper part is called numerator and down part is called upper part is called numerator and down part is called denominator. Okay, here 1 is numerator and 2 is a denominator. In your textbook page number 151, some examples are there here. Now do yourself, those are all. Okay, now coming to the next part. Next one, ma. Suppose I am going to take one whole and here I am going to divide it into 2 parts and I am going to shade one part. Okay, one part. Okay, now how can you, what are the shaded parts? Now tell me, what are the shaded parts? What are the unshaded parts? Now tell me, how many parts are shaded and how many parts are unshaded? Okay, otherwise, okay, I am going to take now tell me 3 parts I am going to take here. Okay, shaded parts 1 2 3. Here 1. Now write down shaded parts. How to find out the shaded parts now? Shaded parts. How many parts are shaded here? 1 2 3 parts. So total how many? Total one whole only there. How many parts are shaded? Means 3. So write down 1/3. Now tell me how many parts are unshaded parts? Unshaded parts any? Unshaded parts is equal to ఎన్ని మా? unshaded parts ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ? సారీ, total parts 4 కదా. సారీ, not 1/3, 3/4 మా. total parts ఇక్కడ 1/4. sorry, here shaded parts. total how many parts we can divide this one into total parts? 4 parts కాబట్టి డినామినేటర్ లో 4 తీసుకుంటాము. ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్ షేడ్ అయ్యాయో అవి న్యూమరేటర్ లో తీసుకుంటాము. here also Unshaded parts here. Total parts, total we write in the denominator, and how many parts are unshaded? 1. So that is the write down in the numerator. Okay. Understood? Now here, what are the numerators and what are the denominators? 3 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. In this, 1 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. Okay. Understood? Now coming to the fractions, types of fractions now. Types of fractions. In this type of fractions, we have some types are there. So how many are there means 6. Okay, 5 or 6 types are there. What are they means? Like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction and unit fraction. Okay, 6. Okay. So coming to the first, we are going to discuss about the like fraction and unlike fraction. Okay, coming to the first, like fraction. Like fraction, when the denominators are same, so that fractions are called like fractions. What is the fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. Ante denominator same ga unna fractions ni like fractions antaru. So take any fraction whatever you want but denominator must and should be same. That type of fractions are called like fractions. I am going to take 5 by 4, 6 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7, 3 by 7, 2 by 7, like this and so on. Here observe here all denominators are same. Here 7, 7, 7, 7. So denominators are same. When all the denominator fractions of all the fractions in all fractions the same fractions having the same denominator, the type of fractions are called like fractions. Here observe all denominators are same. Here 7, 7, 7, 7. This type of fractions are called like fractions. Coming to the unlike fractions. Unlike fractions means opposite only for this. Unlike fractions means with the different denominator. Fractions are having with the different denominator. That type of fractions are called unlike fractions. Okay. Denominator is different. Ikkada same denominator. But in a next example, 4 by 3, 2 by 7, 6 by 4, whatever you want, but here denominators are all not equal. Different denominators, here 3, here 7, here 4. So here this type of fractions are called unlike fractions. Understood all of you? Are you understood the difference between the like fractions and the unlike fractions? What is the unlike fraction? Like same denominator, having the same denominator, that type of fractions are called like fractions. Having a different denominator, so the type of fractions are called unlike fractions. Okay, understood? These are the examples for like fraction and unlike fraction. This is the introduction about the fractions and like fractions and unlike fractions. In page number 152, see here exercise number 1 is there. Exercise number 1, first one I am going to explain, remaining all do yourself. Okay. Exercise number 1 I am going to explain now. Remaining all do yourself. Exercise number 1. First one, circle. How many parts? It is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 parts total. Like this. Okay, some parts are shaded here. See, this part is shaded and this part is shaded and these two parts are shaded. Okay, these two parts are shaded. Yes, now shaded parts, unshaded parts. They are asking about the shaded parts and unshaded parts. Unshaded parts now. This one is very easy Once see here. This one is very easy. First of all, find out the shaded parts. First of all, find out how many total parts are there in this whole 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. Okay, 8 parts. In denominator, write down 8 parts. Okay. Here, now count how many parts are shaded here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 write down in the numerator. So total parts 8 parts. In 8 parts, only 4 parts are shaded. What is the meaning of this one? 4 by 8. Total parts are 8, and how many parts are shaded here? 4 parts. Okay. Next, unshaded parts also. Now tell me. Here also write down the denominator same, because total parts 8, unshaded parts, count unshaded parts 1, 2, 3, 4 again. So unshaded parts also 4. So total shaded parts are 4 by 8 and unshaded parts are also 4 by 8. Okay. Based on this, do remaining all yourself now. And the second one, put less than or greater than in circles. Here 2 by 7, 5 by 7. When denominators are equal, we can compare the numerators directly. See here now, second one. I am going to explain this one now here. Second bit. This one. Okay. 2 by 7, 5 by 7. When these two are equal, say denominators are equal, 7, here also 7, here also 7. When these two are equal, we can compare numerators directly. Here 2, 5. Comparison directly. Direct the comparison. 2 పెద్దదా 5 పెద్దదా అంటే దీన్ని బట్టి మనము e2 సింబల్ వేయాలి. 2 is less than 5 or greater than 5. So 2 is less than 5. 2 is less than 5. So 2 by 7 is less than 5 by 7. You can compare directly when denominators are same. We can compare numerators directly when denominators are same. So in this same way, complete the second question also. And write the fractions in ascending order and descending order also same like that only, ma'am. Compare the numerators all and write down in the ascending order, and fourth one descending order. Do yourself up to there. Complete the exercise number 1. Okay. In tomorrow class, I am going to explain a new topic. Okay. Thank you.